Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on the Valora application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Valora application and then log in using your biometric or your login PIN. After you have logged into your account, you will be taken into your home page. From the home page, simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, in order to change the currency, you can simply tap on the currency option underneath language and then select any of your currency that you wish to use with the Valora application. Once you have selected your currency, if you go back to your main page, you will see that your total balance will also be shown in the currency that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Valora application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.